Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to get ROMs for things like, this, this. Not these two, because those two come with games. So first, you just want to go to any kind of internet thing you use, and search up whatever game you want. So let me think. I'm gonna get Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time. Wait for it to load up. Then ROM. Then you search that up. Now I'm pretty sure it's this site. Yeah, this site, I'm pretty sure. Because other sites bring up weird stuff. So I recommend this one. And if you don't know what this is, it's ROMs. I don't know what it's called. Romsmania, that's it. And you just wait until it gets downloading, and I'll wait for that. I'm probably not gonna play it. And you can see why I'm getting it, because you can tell by my background. Big Legend of Zelda fan. And I'm downloading a Nintendo 64, so I'm gonna do this one. And right now I forgot I was playing this. Let me turn down my volume so it's not so loud. I actually played this on the 3DS, so it's not my second time playing it. I know how to play. It's a little bit difficult for me to play on here. And I will do a little bit of gameplay for y'all. So I'm still on the first level because I'm horrible at these controls. And I can't get that star because I'm, like I said, horrible with controls. And you could see I almost fell off there. So this emulator I recommend if you remember playing Nintendo 64 games. I never played Nintendo. Well, I have this game and Ocarina of Time, but I didn't play the real ones. I played the remakes. But I recommend this app if you used to play the Nintendo 64 games. My favorite one that I played on here has to be Majora's Mask. I can check if this is almost done. And it is. And I'm horrible at it, so I'm about to lose. I'm pretty sure I'm going to lose this. So I'm just going to wait for him. Throw him across the ground. Great. And he got hold of me. So I'm pretty sure my Legend of Zelda is done. Let me go check. I always get these random dings. So, yep, it's done. So I'm gonna go get a little bit of gameplay of that for y'all. I'm gonna show you it actually works. So you can see if I have been playing. And all I had to do was look for the file. Pretty sure I know the file. This one. Then I press OK. It does all that. And there it goes. This is the first Legend of Zelda game I ever played on. I played it for 3DS. So let's see what it looks like. So there goes the Nintendo 64. I don't know what it's called. I even remember this intro from the 3DS version. Looks the same. It not the same graphics, but the same events happen, I'm pretty sure. Let me turn it up so I can hear that, because of course it's the first Legend of Zelda game I ever played. So I'm gonna use my not my real name, my nickname. I'm not telling y'all my real name. Let's do that. So I already completed Ocarina of Time. In the vast deep forests of Hyrule, long have I served as the guardian spirit. I am known as the Deku Tree. The children of the forest, the Kokori, live here with me. Each Kokori has his or her own guardian fairy. However, there is one boy who does not have a fairy. So I remember this from the 3DS. Just gonna throw Now I don't know why, but Ganondorf doesn't look different. Maybe. My brother's in right now. I'm not gonna talk. Let me just go in a room so my brother will leave me alone. He's playing Fortnite. So he took my room, so I'm just gonna sit here. And I think he's falling, but this is already know what happens. Yeah, so this was a pretty quick video. Cause all you had to do is go search for your game and then put ROM at the end. Click on click on your the link, which I recommend that one called romsmania, cause it doesn't show you any pictures or anything. And then you go to your emulator, and then actually, let me just save this and quit. So if you're using this one, which I recommend using for Nintendo 64, all you had to do is come up to this refresh ROMs, click that, and then go to your ROMs. That's how that works. And then this one, only game I have on this one is Legend of Zelda. And I forgot how this one works. Okay, yeah. You have to search for them. And yeah, Legend of Zelda is the only one I have. So I hope you enjoyed, guys. And if you want gameplay of Ocarina of Time, which I won't tell for y'all, but I don't really want to replay it because y'all that played it and completed it, y'all remember that Bongo fight, whatever his name is, the Shadow Temple boss. Yeah, you know that one. You knew that. You've completed it. You know that one was hard. And it took me like a day to complete it. Thought it would take me longer because I kept on dying. But I guess that's all I'm gonna tell you. If you want Ocarina of Time gameplay, just get this video to 11 likes and I will do it. Make sure to subscribe, click the bell to get notified when my videos come out, and I make new videos for you soon. See ya.